Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And on a Tuesday, you don't expect to see me on a Tuesday, but we have got a brand new set of products that are going live today, or have gone live today, that you guys can all start buying from me. So it's the Quite Curvy celebration time. So there's a bundle that you can get now. This bundle, Quite Curvy, comes with stamps and dies. This is actually going to be in the January to June mini catalogue, but it's on early release. Love it when it's early release. So we've got beautiful stamps, and you can see this is the curve they're all making, with the exception of the birds and that one single hello and that one there. Everything has got a curve to it. Just lovely. I'm tipping it so that the light's not catching it. And it comes, you can buy it separately or you can buy them as a bundle. There's a couple of options on bundles. And you can see this one will match that one there. I think this one is that flower. You've got all three birds for all three birds. This one here, and then we've got the extra filigree type pieces. These here. So that's the first kind of half of the bundle options. And like I say, you can buy them separately if you don't want to have the dies. I'm going to show you 3 projects in a second that I'm going to show you a look at them. I'm going to be filming them for later in the month. Whoops. Only one of them doesn't use the dies. So that's part 1. So this is what's going to be available in January. We've got 2 more that are only available now. And that's the Curvy Christmas. So again, you can see we've got the curves here. I love those stars. Absolutely love them. I saw them and I was like, yes, got to have those. We've got all these pieces here. This one here, I'm not sure that you can die cut it. I haven't tried it yet, but it's a very similar image to there. So we've got Christmas stuff and then Christmas paper. I'm going to have to open up a brand new pack because I've actually gone through 2 full packs already. So I'm going to show you this. So there's 3 colorways. Whoops. Shaded Spruce, Sahara Sand and Cherry Cobbler, and then we've got loads of different patterns that are repeated in all 3 colors. So we've got that one with trees, holly, well, pine needles with spots, stars, and that ferny thingy again. There's more stars there. Stripes with checks. I'm looking for the different ones. Is that all of them? No, that's surely not. I had loads of different designs. Maybe it is. I'm not sure, but there's all of them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 6th design somewhere. I can't find it. I don't remember which one it is. Is it the strum now? I'd lost it. I've lost the pattern. Anyway, you get the point. There's loads. So you can buy this on its own, but only now. This on its own, only now. Or the whole lot. It's entirely up to you. I have worked with the Christmas stuff. So that's on its way out. It will be arriving with everybody who shopped with me last month. But I've got a team event coming up soon, and I want to give you the barest of sneak peeks at 3 projects that I'm teaching my team online. So Christmas, not Christmas, no dies. So those are just a couple of ideas. To be fair, the team event, they've got loads. I think they've got 4 projects that they're making. They're only making 2 of mine. This is just a sample. We're going to have dozens. The whole focus of our team event is about the Quite Curvy keepsake, Quite Curvy set. And I'm excited to share all of the things they're going to come up with. So, gorgeous. Like I say, unexpected video on a Tuesday. Just thought it would be good for you to see. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Don't forget to buy. You're going to love it. Bye.